I've marketed to preschools for years, since I started my private practice back in 2006. And there's two physical items that I recommend that you have with you or on you when you approach a daycare to get more daycare clients. And I actually have a course that I'm working on how to get more daycare clients. So I want you to go over to startedtherapypractice.com/daycare. You can learn more about that. Even if you just get one daycare client, one preschool client from what I teach you in this course, it's going to pay for itself. Even more so than that. It's going to more than pay for itself. So startedtherapypractice.com/daycare for more information on that. There is limited enrollment on this upcoming class. It's a live class. It's a live interaction class with me, and there's limited enrollment, so be sure to check that out. So the two items that I recommend that you need are, first, a name tag. And it can't be just one of those paper name tags that you write on yourself. Hello, my name is. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is a real name tag that you can read that looks professional. And guess what? You can get this on Amazon. So if you go to Amazon and just search name tag, you're going to get some options. But what I've found is that you can get a name tag for under $10, and that's with shipping. Make sure on your name tag that it's easily read. Don't use some fancy script on there, and make it just easily read, just your name and what you do. So it could be Scott Harmon, occupational therapist. Now, don't put Scott Harmon on there. That'd be kind of weird, wouldn't it? But put your name and what you do. Don't try to fit a whole lot on there, because then the words are going to get real small. So make it easy to read, and just real short, real to the point, what you are, who you are, and what you do. The next thing that I recommend that you have is a notebook or a clipboard. There's nothing that makes you look more official and more of what you know what you're talking about, than a clipboard. I mean, it's true. If you see somebody with a clipboard walking around, that person is important. They're in charge. So take a clipboard, or also sometimes take a 3-ring binder into daycares. Another thing this does is it allows you to put some paper on that clipboard, put some paper in your 3-ring binder, so when the person that you're talking to is giving you some instructions or they're giving you some information, you can write that down. Because here's what's going to happen. You're going to forget, because it's sort of a stressful situation. You're going to talk to this person about potentially coming into their daycare to see kids there, and it's just a stressful situation, and that's natural. So you want to write down any kind of instructions, any specifics that they might give you, and that looks so much better to write that on a physical piece of paper than if you're taking notes on your phone, because really the optics there, if you're on your phone, they don't know if you're posting on Instagram, checking your messages or whatever. And you could be legitimately taking a note on your phone, but that looks so much better if you're actually writing it down on a physical piece of paper. Now, this is just one of the points that I cover in my course on how to get more daycare clients. If you haven't listened to the previous message, whether you're watching the video or the podcast here, be sure to listen to that, because I talk about how to approach these daycares, how to approach a preschool in order to successfully have them choose you to come in and treat their clients, treat their kids in that preschool. So go backwards and listen to that previous posting that I did on how to get more daycare clients. But what you really want to do, if you're serious about this, go over to startedtherapypractice.com/daycare, sign up for the upcoming lesson, the upcoming course on how to get more daycare clients. Like I said, if you get just one client out of this course, it's going to more than pay for itself. And I guarantee that you're going to get more than one client if you go through my course, follow all the steps. So if you have any questions on that, email me at scott@startedtherapypractice.com. Thanks for watching, and God bless to you and your practice.